This is how to earn money online by opening emails. Getting tens of thousands of dollars in our PayPal account is a daily fantasy for most of us. People from all over the world cash out actual PayPal earnings on this website. It's safe to say that this is effective. You don't need any prior experience and you don't even need any monetary investment or a credit card to do this. To get started, all you need is a smartphone or computer with an internet connection. And you can do so virtually from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'll show you precisely how to do it and how you can start earning hundreds of dollars every single day. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, do you have an email account? Or do you check your email on a regular basis? I'm referring to checking your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, AOL Mail and other similar services. If yes, you're in luck because what I'm about to teach you will allow you to earn anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 simply by opening and reading emails. There are no difficult steps, no prerequisites for experience and no hoops to jump through. Just click open, read the emails, and you will earn money, as simple as that. The more emails you read, the more money you will earn. If you stay with me until the end of this video, I'll show you a few amazing additional strategies that will help you make 3 times more money compared to other people. Now, these are some of the website's features. First and foremost, receive daily paid emails delivered straight to your mailbox. Next is quick payment processing within just 24 hours. They also offer a low $15 payout limit, which means you can start cashing out your earnings once you hit the minimum threshold of $15. Joining is completely free, and if you activate your account, you'll receive a free $3 sign-up bonus. Taking daily paid surveys could help you make some more cash. Now for the step number 1, I'd like you to go to this website, paidtoreademail.com. First and foremost, I'd like to show you how to create a free account and receive the $3 sign-up bonus. So you must first select your gender and then enter your first name, email address and password before clicking the sign up button. After doing so, you will be taken to this page where you'll see thank you. Your account has been activated. So your paid to read email account is now active and has been credited with the $3 sign up bonus. As you can see, this is a completely new account. If you scroll down below, you can see right here free ways to be rewarded for your online activities. Take for example cash surveys, where you can earn from 50 cents to $1 every survey. Now all you have to do is click on this button and you'll be taken to this page. As you can see here in cash surveys, each completed survey can reward you 35 cents to $1. There are 3 main categories as a result of this. Number 1, your surveys which you have unlimited access to. The second category, opinion surveys, which is also unlimited. For the third category, Donata surveys, which have a maximum of 10 surveys. In this video, we're not going to spend too much time on that because it is extremely simple. So they'll deposit the money straight to your account once you've finished the surveys. As promised, here is a bonus tip to help maximize your earnings on this website. When you log into your account every day, make sure you complete all of the Donata surveys, which are limited to 10 surveys. By doing so, you can earn $5 easily. After that, you'll be able to access an unlimited number of surveys that pay you up to $5 per survey. The best part is you may conduct surveys while on the go by just using your phone and earn up to $1 for each survey you finish. You can move on to cash offers if you're done with all the cash surveys. So all you have to do is click on this button and you'll be taken to this page. Here you can earn 50 cents for your surveys, 50 cents for opinion surveys, and 40 cents for Donata surveys under cash offers. This is an additional source of income that you can generate using this website. So moving on to the final income stream, which is the most exciting portion of this video. So the final stream of income is simply opening emails. So you only need to open the email, read it and then click on the link or image, which will then take you to a random site as you can see here. Sometimes they'll give you instructions on what to do while you're in the site, but most of the time, you don't have to do anything. So just stay on the site for at least 30 seconds. Staying for 30 seconds verifies that you're a human and not a robot. Basically, you could just browse the site by scrolling up and down. The best part is you can do this on your phone or your computer. And after 30 seconds, you'll receive your money and it will be credited straight to your account. So right now, I'm going to open another email sent by the website and click on the link to go to a random site. I don't have to care about the actual content of the email, I just have to open it and click on the link to go to a random site. I don't actually have to do anything as you can see. I'll only be here for 30 seconds, after which I'll be able to earn money which will then be deposited straight into my account. You can see that yourself by going back to your dashboard. Under the quick stats, you can see your total cash. One thing to keep in mind though is that you may occasionally receive emails that pay you decent money. One very crucial thing to remember is that when you go to a random site, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and back up to the top. That's all you have to do, and then wait till the 30 seconds are up. The coolest part is they do have a special referral program. As you can see, when you select more and click on refer friends, you'll be taken to this page. So you can earn cash for referring your friends. You'll be credited 15% of your referral's earnings. So simply share this website with your family and friends, and you'll receive 15% of their total earnings, which are pure passive income.